End SARS protest by Nigerians unreasonable. Buhari's aide, Loretta Onoche, insists. Loretta Onoche, special assistant to President Muhammad Buhari on new media, has once again condemned the voices of Nigerians calling for the end of Special Anti-Robbery Squad. The Nigerian Police Force Special Anti-Robbery Squad has been under attack since Saturday over recurring brutality, extortion, and extrajudicial killings. Onoche, in her first response on Sunday, described the protest as a coordinated attack by cybercriminals, and again on Wednesday, she described the request by Nigerians as an unachievable goal. While quoting the statement by the Nigerian Police Force in 2017 and 2020, Onoche insists that target should be placed on punishing erring officers and not describe the squad. Whenever we set an unachievable goal, we get the same answer. Target should be on holding the police to severely punish erring officers. That's how to reform federal SACs. We can't stop using water because someone drowned me, Onoche wrote on Twitter. Thank you for listening to this news. This Mrs. Loretta Onoche, she will not stop amazing or surprising me. I don't know the kind of information that she's getting, or I still don't know if she's not in this country. Where are you at present, if I may ask? Are you in Nigeria? Can someone please ask this President Muhammadu Buhari's aide if she is really in Nigeria, or is she in abroad or in Ghana? Even the people in abroad are even seeing all that is happening in Nigeria than she that is in Nigeria. It's so embarrassing that they will be saying A and Mrs. Loretta Onoche will be saying B. This is how she keep misquoting people whenever they come up with positive opinion. All in the name of I want to be by the side of the president. That you are favored to be a minister of the president doesn't mean that when you see the truth, you cannot reveal it because you are afraid of losing your position. Don't forget. As a minister, you are a public figure. All eyes are on you. And a time will come when you will leave this seat. And as soon as you leave this seat, you will not get the embarrassment that you've never in your life gotten before. See, why they are leaving you or getting the embarrassment that you've not gotten before is because you are still on seat. So you better be careful with the way you talk to Nigerians. So you better be careful because I'm seeing the way you are attacking Nigerians. So what I'm telling you is a form of advice, an advice which a son can always give to the mother. Because in as much as a mother can advise a child too can still advise a mother. So as you are now, you are like a mother. So you show humble and respect yourself. Respect yourself. Okay? And make sure you talk when you are asked or requested to talk. So many times you talk when you're not requested to talk and when you're not supposed to talk. You understand now? And it's so annoying. Okay, look at what you've just said now. Did you actually listen to yourself? Do you listen to yourself? This is how you embarrassed Whiskey, calling him a dumb kid. If they embarrass you now, I don't know where you're falling. If they embarrass you now, do you think that your children will be happy with the way they will embarrass you? See the person you are insulting, calling a dumb kid. Do you know? Okay, good and fine. You feel that you are a responsible mother, Abi? So this one is not responsible, and he's making all of this money. He's not responsible, and he's appearing before dignitaries. He's not responsible, and dignitaries are inviting him on special occasions. is not responsible, and dignitaries are giving him attention. Come on, madam. Listen to yourself. Listen to what you just said about the SARS officers. Do you know who these SARS are? Do you know the many crimes they have committed? Is it because you have not been attacked by these hoodlums? You call thugs security officers? Abba, ma, I'm sorry. You've gotten it wrong. You've gotten it wrong. They don't do things that way. They don't do things that way. You understand? That is what I'm trying to let you know. It's completely wrong. You're not supposed to speak about the SARS like that. Let them be scrapped. I support it with all pleasure. They have overcommitted, and it is wrong. They have messed up, and it is wrong. So let them suffer for their offense. Let them receive the punishment that they deserve. You understand? So I support the scrapping of federal SARS. I support it with all pleasure. These people have been committing all sorts of atrocities. What is not supposed to be their responsibility, they take it up as a responsibility. Something that they never sent them to do. Maka, why? Why? Do you know how many people in this country that have been killed by these careless security people you call SARS? Do you know how many people that have been wrongly arrested? You don't know. You don't know. And it's too bad that you don't know. And you call yourself a special assistant to the president, and you cannot even trace simple informations. I'm disappointed. Completely disappointed. And I'll keep telling you that you've gotten it wrong. Completely. It's good you always fix your eye on the TV and get informations concerning these people. I would have said that you should be getting yourself in touch with Lai Mohammed, but all his own information are always centered on lies. He has never for once released a reliable information, an information that will be reliable. You understand? So I'm not surprised. Okay, I'm not surprised. So the only advice I'll tell you is try to always be online. Try to always be on TV to source informations. Okay, expose yourself to informations. Do you understand? So that you will know what is happening. So you know what is going on. So you will not be misinformed. Alright? So my viewers, as you've heard, what's your take? What's your advice? Please do well to leave them below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.